guys, my name is Renish and today our topic is what is the computer hardware. Simple definition of computer hardware is any physical parts of the components that's component to a computer system. There are several different kind of hardware inside a PC, both desktop desktop and laptop PC include this type of hardware through the size and type difference because of the laptop's component design. What is different between hardware and software? Hardware, the kind of computer hardware as a part of part of your computer that you can see and touch. There are the components that are likely fit together inside your computer case and installing with drive software computer software on the other hand is not something you can touch but is defined as the program to installing your computer provide provide a set to installing that tell your PC how to work. Examples of hardware and software: computer software component, Windows 10, Mac OS, Microsoft Office security software, and computer hardware component, motherboard, CPU, random access memory, RAM, SSD, HDD, graphic, GPU, and keyboard, mouse, and monitor. A computer will only function when both hardware and software are working together with a system's speed largest declamation by hardware. When the build you upgrading new computer will need to coincide its specific hardware replacement to check your computer space to see what hardware will will be component will use system. What is a motherboard? Your computer what a computer motherboard is the hub that connected all the other of computer hardware attacking as to brain to and coordinated power across all the component. If your build a PC, you're looking upgrade its your conside motherboard componentable as this will much to of what your will able to do. Motherboard with other hardware components can be used with your computer. Such a strong device that the sum in the 2.5-inch SSD or M2 NVMe SSD form a factor which when looking at the new motherboard. It's also to check the number of USB port, and there gets a USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.1. It's based of the check. It's a best of check with what display port are the use the HDMI, DVI, RGB, and how many there are. What is the central processing unit? CPU. CPU standard of the control processing unit, and it's responsibility to build your computer as it progress. Data much like brain body to speed at which is the does the is no at as clock speed, and Install CPU event. What is the random access memory RAM? Computer RAM work closely with CPU and temporary store information created by programs, so that is the accessibly. It's sometime reference to the widely memory, because this data gets your every time your computer restarting. RAM play a vital part in many tasks, including randomly image to graphic design, editing videos, photography, and multiple tasking with several app or program open. Assign RAM is for a computer functionable. Upgrading your memory is one of the quotation and most effectively. How much RAM you need dependent on the programs you're running. Gamers can often get by with 8 GB memory, but many watts more to improve performance. Pay second FPS the rating in the high intelligent game. Creativation like a video and graphic design. Many need 16 GB, 16 GB for RAM or more power apps such as Photoshop or After Effect.